Hi, I'm Chi Wee Gan, Senior Vice President of Global Strategy and Sustainability at Ream. I'm here with Ream Perspectives. The most significant programs are when sustainability is good for our customers, good for our planet, and good for our business. For example, engineers designing our products and solutions that prioritize performance and sustainability for our customers. Our teams in our factories finding new ways to reduce waste and conserve resources, lowering our overall costs. Our sales and marketing team partnering with our customers and influencers to promote high efficiency and sustainable products that help homeowners lower their energy bills. We have set a goal unique in our industry to educate our trade and channel partners on sustainability, ensure we are consistently getting our most sustainable products out into the world. This is a special year for us. As a private company celebrating a 100-year anniversary, long-term generational thinking is part of who we are. Since 1925, we've been working to manufacture products that deliver on a promise of innovation and making the world a better place now and well into the future. This year's report, titled Passion for Possibilities, showcases our sustainability journey and the accomplishments we have achieved towards our goal. Delivering positive generational impact on our businesses and our environment. Numbers like these mean a lot to me. When setting our goals in 2019, we wanted to aim for something bold, not unreachable, but certainly not easy either. I am so proud of the work that's been done around the world by our teams to reduce product energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, as well as designing out waste in our manufacturing sites. And we got here through the commitment, creativity, and support throughout Ream and our partners. Sustainability attracts talent to Ream. I believe this is because our employees are passionate about sustainability, and there are many ways for them to get involved, such as our Global Good Works program. We also see sustainability as an important opportunity to reinforce Ream's culture and our belief in doing the right thing. And we have integrated sustainability into our new mission, vision, and values that we refreshed last year. What am I most inspired by? The people at Ream throughout our history. People who never settled for status quo and continue to push new boundaries. People who never fail to rise up when faced with big, difficult challenges. And people who have a genuine belief in doing the right thing.